Guess what's in this package? It's another Matcha Kindle. Yes, I have 2 Kindles now. Why, you ask? That's a good question. I'm gonna get into it in this video. So I got this Kindle, I would say 3 weeks, almost a month ago now. I got it in Best Buy. This is actually gonna be my 3rd Kindle. Immediately noticed every time I flick through a page, the next page is bleeding into the next. I'm brand new to Kindle, so I was like, what's going on? Is this normal? Like, is this supposed to be happening? Contacted Amazon and they were like, no, it shouldn't be happening. That's a defective Kindle. So I said, okay, cool. So we're gonna send you a new Kindle Basic and Matcha, and we're gonna take that one back to, I don't know, manufacturing, I guess, I don't know. I shipped my first Kindle back that I got from Best Buy, and they sent me this one. Great. However, yes, they're still bleeding through to the page. It's not as bad as the first one. The first one was really bad, but this one, it still happens, even on the home screen. I did some internet deep dive searching and found out that it is a common problem. It's basically something that happens because of the e-ink display. I contacted Amazon and said, hey, the second Kindle that you sent me is still bleeding through. Is this normal? They made me do a bunch of different things, like restart my Kindle, ask me about the settings, all kinds of stuff. And he said, no, it's not normal. There shouldn't be any bleeding. He said, don't worry, I got you. You're still under warranty. I'm going to send you another one. So I said, okay. Said Kindle in question has arrived. This is the 3rd one. However, guys, the Amazon guy sent me this Kindle and did not send me a return label for this one. It has now been a week. I've been holding this in the box for a week just so I could do this unboxing because I wanted it to be daylight so I could film it properly. Haven't sent me a return label. I'm actually scared to contact them and say, hey, you didn't send me a return label. My order says 0 because I didn't originally buy it from Amazon. I bought it from Best Buy. And so I don't know. I have 2 Kindles now. I'm just kind of waiting to see if they send me anything. It's literally been 2 weeks since they put the order in for this replacement, and I've had it sitting with me for a week and still nothing. Crickets. I'm not even gonna contact them. I'm just gonna set it up, turn it on, and hope for the best. I'm not doing it. So for now, we're gonna have 2 Kindles and hopefully I get to keep them both. I'm gonna use this one for my main books, and then I'm gonna have this one for manga. So let's unbox. It's literally brand new. It's not like a refurbished model or anything. Not aesthetic. So it comes with a Kindle guide on like what to do with it. You slide this paper out, a wire, USB-C wire, and it's wrapped nicely. I hate that it's USB-C to USB. Nobody uses USB bricks anymore. Okay, it's wrapped up nice. I feel like I have a new present, even though I literally already have one right here. Time for the reveal. The bottom, USB-C, power button, and then I guess this is the light button. There's no other buttons on this Kindle device. We're going to turn it on. I'm going to, oh, never mind. All right, it's ready for me to set up. I'm scared. What if I set it up and then this one stops working? Then I'll know I have to send it back. I want to keep them both. English. Next. We're in the US. Next. I need to get another case. But also I don't want to spend money on a case if they make me send the other one back. Keys are ready. They're asking me I can set it up directly on the Kindle where I've got to type everything in, or I can set it up with my phone, which is what I'm going to do because that's so much easier. We're going to use my iPad. And then it just asked me to link and continue. So doing that. App is connected. I'm just going to connect it to the internet. And then now I'm going to continue on the Kindle. I'm going to hit next. Make this Kindle kid friendly? Absolutely not. So right off the bat, it comes 56% charged. No, I do have Amazon Prime, but I have Amazon Prime through a different account. And now it's got to download my hundreds of books, asking me to set up my Kindle experience. Navigate, quick access to settings, home library. This is all stuff I know, obviously, because I already have the Kindle. If you're brand new to the Kindle world, I will link down below my video on my full in-depth walkthrough of the Kindle, all the settings, all the different ways to customize your Kindle, hacks that I know, how to like set up your page. Like it's all on there. It's like a super in-depth video for people who have just found Kindles. So I'll link it down below. She's set up, guys. She's ready. So I'm definitely gonna have to get a case for this. Oh, let me show you guys. This is a custom lock screen. It says emotionally attached to fictional characters. I have 14 different lock screens and I'm gonna be releasing 12 of them for free. 12 days of Bookmas. So that's going to be a series I'm doing leading up to Christmas Day. So if you guys want to grab all of my free lock screens that I've designed, they're going to be in each one of those daily shorts. Yeah. Oh, that one's locking and this one is unlocked. This is the standard lock screen that comes with the Kindle, and then this is one that I designed on my own. Let me show you a couple other ones I've designed. This one is one of my favorites. It says, the Antisocial Book Club. No, I'm not coming. I'm gonna pick one for this Kindle. Okay, so that is it. It's unboxed. We now have 2 Kindles. After, what, 10 minutes? It's now restarting. I guess it's updating on its own. So, yeah, it's gonna update after you load it up for the first time. So with a case on it, it's almost as heavy as my iPad, but without a case, it just feels really lightweight and like something I could end up like flinging across the room. It's restarting again. It's almost done. Oh, so while that's doing that, I went to an NCT concert last year. One of the NCTs gave like some random merch that she had made, and she made this cute like green phone charm thing. Isn't that so cute? They're just making NCT merch and just like handing it out at the concert as like a giveaway, like a freebies. And I was like, okay, thanks girl, thanks girl. I actually feel like it might be a little bit long, but it's whatever, it's fine. I love it. Okay. This new one is so much faster than this one. I think it's because there's just nothing downloaded on it yet, maybe. But this is moving way faster than this one. That's kind of crazy, actually. So I'm going to my screen and brightness, and I'm gonna show covers on lock screen. My brightness is already set to 18, which is perfect. And now I have my lock screen. Plot Twist Enthusiast and my Antisocial Book Club. Right, we're done with the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!